Hello class, today I will be teaching you how to add hyperlinks to your PowerPoint presentation so they look a little bit more professional and you're able to create cool PowerPoints. So the first thing we have is how to add a hyperlink to another slide within your presentation. So let's say we want to click here to move to slide, I think it's 7, say slide 7. So we're going to highlight slide 7, then we're going to right click it. I'm using PowerPoint 2016, but it should be very similar to other PowerPoints. We're going to right click it, and we're going to click on this hyperlink, and it's going to bring up this little dialog box. So for here, we're going to be clicking on place in this document, and then you're going to see a layout of all the different slides that you have in your presentation so far. So we're going to do it on slide 7, which is this one. So we're going to click on it, and we're going to click OK. So, got it. So now, if I click on this, it's going to take me to slide 7. Which is a nice way for you to move through your presentation if you have an image that maybe didn't fit but you want to show it, or some type of chart. Now we're going to be showing how to add a hyperlink to a website. So instead of just having the whole address there, you can make certain words send you to that website. So here example, I have this open to the different phases of the moon. So I'm going to click on this, and I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to go back to my presentation. So we want it when they click here, that will send them to that page. So again, I'm going to highlight it, I'm going to right click it, I'm going to click on hyperlink again, and then instead of on here, we're going to do it to existing file or web page, and then here, you are going to paste your address. So we're going to paste it, go OK. So now you're going to see that the blue. So if I click on it, it should take us to that web page, which it did. So back to our PowerPoint. Now we're going to be doing hyperlinks to an email. So maybe you want to do a presentation that you want to send out to someone and you want them to be able to email you. This is a great way to do it. So I'm going to highlight email me today. And again, the same thing. I'm going to right click and click on hyperlink, and then on the side we're going to do email address. So we'll put in my CVP email, so Liliana P at cvp.edu, and click OK. So now when they click on this, it should be taking them to be able to email me. So it should open up another dialog box for your mail, and it will send it directly to that person with their email address. Cool. And then here, instead of using actual words like we've been doing before, you can also make a hyperlink to an image. So we have this cool image of the moon here. So again, if I wanted it to send me to that same web page, I'm going to click on a picture. First you need to select and add to your presentation. And then I'm going to right click it, and again, hyperlink. So we want it to go to a web page. So let me copy that web page again. I'm going to copy it, and then paste it, and then click OK. So now when they click on this moon, let's say maybe here, it should take us to that web page as well, which it did. And then finally, we have how to add a hyperlink to a video. So I know a lot of people like to just put the actual email, the little address, and then click on it and open up a new tab. But instead of doing that and doing it in a more professional way, already included in your PowerPoint, you can do that. So a little bit different. So we're going to go to Insert, and then at the right hand side over here, we're going to click on Video. So you can do this with either videos that you have saved onto your computer, or you can do it with a video that you possibly found on YouTube. So I'm going to click on this and bring an option. So here's the video if you had it on your computer, and here's for an online one. So I'm going to click on this one. So if I go back to, let's say you found a really cool video. So I found this one for a video on moons, like different phases. So here at the bottom where it says share, you can either copy this link, but I've seen that's better when you click embedded. And that big old long address, you're going to copy it. And go back to your PowerPoint. And here, see where it says paste embedded code there. You can click it there. You can also, if you have not found the video, you can search one up here. But we already have our video. So I'm going to paste it. Oops. Paste it, and then it's there. So I'm going to click on that. And then see this little arrow? We're going to click on it, and it's going to insert our video. So it takes a little bit more time because it's like bringing it down, you know. But here we go. So then here, you have your video on your actual PowerPoint. You don't have to go to another web page. So it's nice, and then you can make it as big or as small as you would like. Here, I can make it that big. And yeah, that's about it. So these are all the different ways that you can add hyperlinks to your PowerPoint presentations. Thank you.